Hey guys, welcome back to our video, Tony's Phone Collection. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a phone lot, I think it was I picked up on eBay. Let's take a look, see what we got here. Here we go. Here is a LG Glimmer on Autel. Let's see if it has a battery, which it sure does. No SD card, looks to be a little bit water damage possibly. I have like 1,000 of these things though. I know I have one that's brand new in the box, and then I have one that's not. So there's screens in decent shape, I would say. Really good where the screen protector was, but like I said, without the screen protector, you can see the wear. There's that, and then we got a Blackberry Pearl Flip. I think it's 8230. I was thinking 8220, but 8230. And I think this was on Autel as well. One of the reasons I bought it. Yep, there it is, the Autel logo. Screen's got some of that heavy wear into it. A lot of Blackberry Pearls do that because the side-to-side action that the hinge gives. Let's see. Cover came off naturally, but no SD card either. Oops. Here we have a Motorola E85. No battery. Water indicator is red. Let's see if this one, I didn't see if this one was red or not. It looks to be white. And then the warranty stickers are still intact. It looks like those are warranty stickers. So this one, like I said, red. E85. And this one is on Autel as well. See, the antenna is definitely seen better days. Pretty heavy wear up here on the top, it looks like. Looks to be in decent shape other than that. No SD card. Let's see, there's that one. LG VX 5600 on Verizon. It does have a battery. This phone doesn't have an SD card slot. Probably doesn't have any charge in it. Pretty heavy scratching. It's got a front protector on it, looks like right here. See the edge of it? So it might be in decent shape, but there's that one. And then lastly is a Samsung SCH U310. Right there it is. And like I said, no SD card installed on this one. This one looks to be pretty rough. Probably the worst one out of the package. Probably won't keep this one in my collection because how rough it is. Especially on the inside. A lot of damage there. Some of that sticky rubber. I'm surprised the LCD still looks good with those impacts. But there you go. Quick little unboxing for you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.